Trump averted Indo-Pak nuclear war, backstrade.
Before details, please subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel. News details.
U.S. President Donald Trump revealed that American intervention helped prevent a nuclear conflict between India and Pakistan following escalated airstrikes and drone interceptions. Tensions peaked after India's strikes in Kashmir and Pakistan's response of downing jets. Trump said a ceasefire was reached on May 10, marking it a major diplomatic win. He emphasized trade as a peace tool, praising Pakistan's potential and noting India's tariff concessions. The UK also urged treaty adherence. After India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, Pakistan confirmed casualties and plans international legal action. Despite ceasefire success, experts warn the situation remains fragile.
Do not forget to subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.